Good morning and welcome back. We're going to kick off this morning with some Christmas. I know, it's the, what is it, the third week of January? Is that what it is? Second week of January? Still getting Christmas. We got some stuff we broke down in here. We had the big thing of pots and pans we picked up last week that we didn't turn in because we forgot about it. And about half of it was steel. And I had some questions from somebody. I had two different people say to you, why do you pick up all those Christmas trees? If you look, the whole inside of these trees are metal, and all these branches are metal too. There's not much to them weight wise, but you'll see, like, this is all metal. So, does not hurt to pick them up. I also have this funky thing from last week. This top looked aluminum, steel. So I forgot that in the back of my truck too. So that's what we're starting off with this morning. So let's get out there and see if we can get her full today. I guess it's gonna be one of them days. Got ourselves some more Christmas. If I end up filling this thing with trees today, that's gonna be slightly disappointing. So this weekend, actually, it's another thing to you guys. Happy Martin Luther King Day. I know a lot of you guys are off today. I'm not. There is no rest for the weary. But anyways, this weekend, I met up with a subscriber and we traded some scrap. She saw that I had that old antique, ow, my hand's caught, sewing machine. And then she traded me the scrap. Oh, there's that bucket of pans right there. So those are all the aluminum ones. But she gave me some chairs. She gave me some wire. She didn't have to do that, but she was kind enough to say, hey, since you're gonna give that to me, I'm gonna give you something in return. I thought that was pretty awesome. That's my first time meeting a subscriber, which is pretty cool too. So, I'm hoping for some heavies. And then on that note, I broke down some things this weekend, and I had a box of shred to go to the pile, and I set that shred right next to my dolly so I'd remember to throw them both in the trailer this morning. Neither of them made it. So we are riding around dollyless, and we've got a whole bucket of shred sitting at the house. I guess we'll seed tomorrow's load with that. Boom. Just like that. We got our fan for the day. Yeah. And you know, here at Nacho Stuff, we're fans of fans. So early on is your opportunity to smash that like button and let those fans know that you're fans of them as well. We're gonna use you to hold you guys down. Looks like we got a chandelier too. Looking kind of steely, but we'll check her. We're gonna take a peeky here. It didn't look very metally, but these are the ones that caught my eye. Huh, they're aluminum. They're not in great shape, but I don't know. They say aluminum on them. That means we have to take them. They're marked as aluminum. K2, I think, sounds like a good brand to me too. I don't know. What do I know? Extruded aluminum? No, that's plastic. Workbench. Any gold bars? No. Yeah, you're the one that's all connected to that thing. I don't want all that plastic. All right. Got a pair of K2 rollerblades. Don't know if that's good or bad, but I do know there's aluminum on there. Remember that dolly that I said I forgot at the house? Oh gosh, seriously. I just had a feeling, man. I felt today was going to be washer and dryer for some reason. I don't know why. Don't ask me why, but I felt that. I said, you got to bring that dolly. We'll figure this out one of these days, man. We will stop struggling and start working smarter, but today's not the day. Dang it. And I know people are going to be complaining about my packing. I'm trying to get better. So we're going to bring that washing machine, we're going to bring them all the way up here. On top of that, I got to contact my guy, see if he wants it. This is probably right up his alley, I think. Don't know what brand this is. This is a... Anyway, it says check the drum. It's got water in it. This is a washing machine. It should have water in it. Oh, the door doesn't close very well. That might be the problem. The door doesn't want to stay closed. No, that wasn't too bad. Alrighty, I'm gonna leave it there so I can take a picture and send it to my guy. And there's a guy's loading washers and dryers around the corner. I'm going to ask them if they're going to throw away some old ones. Be back. Not scrap value, but possible resale value. This looked pretty nice. I'm trying to see. No, that's not a mirror. But look at this thing. Actually, it is a mirror. That's pretty nice. I like it. I like it. See, that's the problem with that thing. The door doesn't stay closed on it. I have to stuff it full of trees. Man, my car needs a wash in a bad kind of way. Ooh. Gonna make it? No. No. That ain't gonna work like that. Oh, gosh. I have to go in the back. I'm gonna have to go in the back. We're not set up to put stuff in the vehicle today. How are ya? What? Nah, it's yours. What's that?
There's nothing else back there.
Oh, there's not.
It's just trash.
All right, here we go. All right. Ooh. Looks like a dog done peed on this printer. That's gross. Why would a dog do that? I guess it's like a new school fire hydrant. Gross. That's why you wear gloves. Not a whole bunch, but I saw some wires. Ooh, look at these purses. Is this a brand name? I don't know much about purses. Oh, Converse. Someone tells me Converse sell. We'll take the Converse. Just for giggles. Just for giggles. That purse is in pretty good shape. Fossil? I don't think that's a very good brand. I think that's a commoner's brand. More wires. I don't know what that one leather one is, but we'll take it. You can go in there for now. You can go in there for now. I don't want those shows. I just want the Converse. I don't think those are anything fancy. Get in there. Get in there, Converse. Get in there. And a purse. You can go back into the pile. Is this Christmas? No, not Christmas. All right, onward. And we're gonna grab ourselves a random chair. We love random chairs. This is a Serta. That's a nice chair. That's a nice chair. The seat's all tore up on it though. That's why he's going out here. Not as pretty as he once was. I didn't know Serta made chairs. Interesting. We got some people's moving. They got their stuff packed up in the pods. But they could not fit this. Is this connected? No, it's not good. Because we don't want you. We just want the table. Whew. It's a heavy table too. Ooh. We're just going over the edge of this one, guys. Oosh. You can hold the door closed. You can hold the door closed. Now somebody last week, I was talking about these tanks, said there's this little thing, I guess is what they're talking about. I'm gonna see if that pops off easy or not. They're pretty light though, but that must be, whoever commented, if that's the seal that you break off, I don't know, just something seems weird to me about breaking into these tanks. Makes me a little scared. Makes me a little scared. That stuff's juicy. All right, we're leaving that today. Comment, let me know if that's the valve you're talking about. You pop off and it counts as good. They are still pretty light though. And I don't want to end up like scrapping with Grandpa, where the thing shoots all over the yard and takes someone's head off. Right now we're picking up, those might actually be aluminum. Aluminum, let's check. Bonus! They are aluminum, beautiful. Love myself an aluminum chair or two. Oh, it's 2 aluminum chairs added to the mix. She's in a hurry, she must be late for work. Go, go, go! Onward. We got more of the something variety. Ooh, a lock set. I like that. We'll just... This is... I'm gonna try to educate you guys a little bit. This is, for the most part, considered aluminum breakage. At least in my yard it is. Don't need all the papers and stuff. That might, I always want to try to make it break down. Oh, look at that. We got ourselves Christmas lights, yes. Still more post-Christmas. We got ourselves a couple of long poles. Come on. Of the aluminum variety. Come on, get in there. That's a pool washing thing, I think. Yeah. Yeah, baby. Little honey hole here. Ooh. I thought I saw a washing machine for a second. Sorry. Done got distracted. Got a tennis racket. Look at all this stuff. We'll have an empty box here in a minute. Nice plastic. Plastic? No, you're metal. That's metal, that's metal, that's metal. That antenna's gonna be metal. I should have used that to put my aluminum breakage into. That would have been really awesome. Should have found that first, but I didn't. Onward! Alright, it's not my fault the street's being blocked. It's that trailer's fault, not mine. Oh, look at the Christmas tree lights. Oh, we're gonna put you in the Christmas tree light box. Maybe we won't. We're just gonna have to put you there. We put you near the Christmas trees. Lights, there we go. So you know where we don't forget to take those ones. Trying to be quickie here, so I don't block the street any longer than I have to. Oh, bulb down. All right, away we go. Yep, we're gonna have a trailer full of trees today. Because I think a lot of people are concerned about Martin Luther King holiday not being a real trash day. And so there's not as much out as normally is out. And I'm kind of surprised, but I'm not surprised, I guess. On that note, I also wanted to throw out there that I remember that I didn't say anything about. We hit 1,000 subscribers. Thank you so much. It's pretty amazing, man. We got there quicker than I would have thought. So that's pretty awesome. That's a pretty cool looking door. So I'm pretty excited about that. Thank you all that have subscribed. It's much appreciated, and it's a milestone. It's one of those huge milestones you can mark down in the book. So hopefully, I wanted to thank all the new subscribers. We have probably a couple hundred in the last week or so. We've really done well since we've got the trailer. I don't know whether it's the trailer name being on the side and people looking me up, or whether the videos are just gaining that much more traction. Either way, I love it, and thank you. Without you, it's just me talking to myself, which happens all the time anyways, but that's okay. Let's find some scrap. Yeah, that's a pan over there. You know I like to save Christmas trees. You know I like to save Christmas trees. Of course, I've been saving Christmas trees all day long. But you know I like to save fishing rods. So I had to come back here. I saw something maybe under this mirror. We're gonna take a peek. It's just a little plant. It doesn't count. But do we have all our eyes? We do. Sunny day bear. Just a little kid's rod, but I like to save these ones. Save them from the landfill. I'd rather see that one donated than to go away. This should be steel, right? Yeah, steel. So, had to save them. Find that one a good home. First one of these since we've had the trailer. We're on a super awkward corner, so I'm trying to just do this really quickie. This one's a skinny one. Come on, turn. Turn. We're gonna go over on this side. There's no cars coming right now, so we're safe. Come on over here, and you're gonna go up and over right there in that little slot. Where's my handle at? A plastic handle. Oh, you're not as wet as I thought. Oh gosh. Come on, chair. Let him in there. Let him in there. All right, that's what I was trying to do. There we go. Whew. When I first saw this pile, I was coming from the other direction. I thought it was going to be amazing, but it's not probably going to be as amazing as I was hoping. We do have a coffee maker, a Ninja. They have some Christmas decor. And I think we've got a bunch of garbage. Yes, a bunch of garbage. But coffee maker it is. We got ourselves some stuff here, folks. Got a picking pile, and I know we got some wires. It's a cool old car. This is all landscaping stuff. That's not good. This tote here looks pretty yummy. Don't need the concrete mix. Oh, hang on a second. That might not be concrete mix. That's nails. This is metal. We'll keep her in the bucket. Just this whole bucket. How's that sound? Let's find a home for you. Let's see what we also got in here. What is that? That's a dog head. A dog head? Oh, that's Otis and Garfield. Odie, is it? And Garfield. Those are like paper mache costumes. That took a lot of work to do. Well, I'll take this wire shelving though. Oh no, we got an ear on the ground. Ooh, old car parts. I love boxes that say stuff like that on it. That's pretty awesome. Let's see what's in the old car part box. Morning, how are you? Can we find some old car parts? Can we find some old car parts? No. We got some molding, some paint. Looks like a hose of some sort. Oh, forgot you. Almost forgot you. No scrap left behind. All right, that'll do her. This was a hoofer away, but I had to come over here and bring it in because we got ourselves our first TV of the day. And maybe something else, maybe a little boom box, another printer. But I wanted to show you, because we're all the way over there. I didn't want to turn down this two house thing just to do another circle. So we're walking. See you at the next spot. All right, we're headed over to the wash machine guy. He said he was interested in that wash machine. He actually lives in these neighborhoods. So I'm gonna drop it off as I'm running around. Could not leave that weed whacker behind though. I had to take a peekie. These boxes were calling my name. Like, we got good stuff in us. They're probably empty, but I had to look. How are they throwing these nice totes out though? I'm gonna take these for sorting, man. I have more sorting totes than throw a stick at. Oh, you're gonna be empty too, aren't you? Yeah, you're empty, but these totes have my name written all over them. Ooh, is that a wee board over there? I'm gonna put you inside so we don't lose our tops and all our other stuff. We're gonna put you in here. Put you in there with our Converse. It is a wee board. I totally missed you hiding over here, dude. We will take you. All right, let's continue. You know it. We got more trays. Ooh, this is of the loose variety. I would definitely hook this one too. Problem is how is he gonna want to unload this washing machine? Hopefully it's parts and we can just pull it over the side, but if not, shame on me for not thinking about that before I was loading. But we'll do what you need to do. Okie dokie. Okie dokie schmokey. Oh, shink. Let's go. All right, we're running the wrong route today. We had to stop and drop off our washing machine to our guy. So we have lost that, and we've totally disorganized the trailer in the process. So you're gonna have to deal with me. The load pack job is atrocious right now. So we have to move stuff around to get that out without damaging it, because he is going to try to repurpose it. So we're going to make do with what we have. Unfortunately and fortunately, today's been kind of light, so I don't think it's going to be an issue. and the wind is picking up. Started off today at 50 degrees, which for us is pretty darn cold. And we have a high of just 59 today. So hopefully it doesn't rain. Walking back for this big old printer. Oh yeah. And see, I couldn't block driveways, or at least this driveway I couldn't. Had to make space for the lady to get by. I'll put you right there. Got ourselves a vacuum cleaner. Do we have a cord? Didn't look cordy. And we do have a cord. Sweet. I know, not getting a cord yet either. I'm working on my processing, folks. Bear with me. Vacuum 2 with a cord. Sword. That's a Minecraft sword. He's up here though. I'm gonna put him there in case that's a kid's. Fan of a fan. Take 2. Got ourselves another. Look at that one, it's kind of nice. Ooh, a space-themed ceiling fan. I don't know that I've had one of those before. Ooh, that's a big old cup. Let's get out of his way. Got ourselves a vacuum party in this neighborhood, man. We got a vacuum here, we got a vacuum there. This is vacuum 3 for the neighborhood. This one's cordless though. Interesting. Morning. Oh, this one's cordless too. Huh. So I've got 2 corded and 2 cordless. That's interesting. They must be clipping in certain neighborhoods and not in others. I'm going to clean this up. Get myself some aluminum pile started for the week. We got something here, and it might be yummy. And it is. Look at that. Look at the copper pipey. Yes, yummy, yummy. And this is going to be a big plate of aluminum. Woo. Woo. Man, it's trying to rain. I hope it doesn't. Aluminum and copper. That's a stop. When I saw it, I was like, ooh, that could be a good one. What else we got here? Anything? Some glass. Got some carpet. I don't know what that is, but it's not metal. All right, let's go. Better close that door. We got ourselves a broken bike. Avalon. Oosh. We'll take the broken bike. Oosh. Onward. This again was another hoof. Oh, it's nice. Got some yard ornaments. Metal and Christmas lights in a box, but look how far away I parked. I didn't want to have to make the turn for this just 2 houses. I wanted to do a big circle, so I decided to hoof it and get a little exercise today. Definitely have some yummies here. Ooh, it looks like they did all their locks. That's a whole box of old locks right there. Oh my gosh. Holy lockage. Oh my gosh, look at all these locks. That's crazy. What we got in here? An old light. That might be aluminum actually. workout bench. Anything else good down in here? I don't think there's anything good in there. So this is going to be my go-to box. I think there's pieces in all of these. I don't know if this is, maybe these aren't that important. Let's see if we can find any brass. Oops. Get that bag before the wind catches it. Oh! Darn wind. I don't know if I'm going to do that for all these. Seems like an awful lot of work. That one's going to be empty. That one has the same thing, just there's two little things in there. Heat wraps, don't need that. This can come into here. This is a keeper box. That's a keeper box, a mounting bracket of some sort. It's all crows. Not much of a fan of clothes. That's coming. This is coming. That's coming. These are all old sinks. Ooh. Feel that wind picking up? Holy macacholi. Oh, it's brass, man. Oh, there goes another piece of paper. Get it before I have to chase it down. Oh, pow! Alright. Alright, that's gonna be it, folks. As if that wasn't a nice score. Alright, we're going to go back here because this is all going to need to get broke down. It'll be either breakage or brass. That bracket might not be though. Stay. Do not fall on me. That's a nice score right there, man. There's all this brass. Woo-wee. Alright. Oh, don't forget the bench. So much stuff, you almost forgot the workout bench. I'm gonna check out that one shirt. That one shirt's calling my name. I don't know why. This is empty, right? Yes. What is this shirt here? Oh, it's a cycling shirt, right? What do we think? Let's try this one bag here. The cycling gear is pretty popular. This is speaking to me for some reason. I don't know why, it just is. Alright, onward. Now we're starting to get into some scrap. Look at this. I think it's a big, huge hood. Oh, it'd be great if it was stainless, huh? There's a chance. There's a chance. Let's do the good old magnet test. Let's see what the magnet says. What does the magnet say? The magnet says stainless. Let's get my other magnet because these ones have the little edges on it. Where's my standard magnet? And stainless, yes. Look at all that Christmas. It just keeps coming. Keeps coming. Christmas Christmas and Christmas and Christmas. This might be 2 trees of so much Christmas. Oosh! That's a heavy one. I didn't even break down the stand on this one. Alright. Before we leave this neighborhood, we're gonna have to break out the straps. That's gonna catch this wind. God knows where it'll end up. Alright, let's go. I thought these might have lights in it, and they do. Just a box. Oh no, they're plastic. Right? Yeah, they're all plastic. No! Oh well. I thought it was all wood, but that box is gonna be metal. Big old metal box. Wow. That's gonna be heavy too. No iPad. Magazines. Do we got an iPad here? No iPad here either. Alright, box it'll be. Wow, you're heavy. I'm going to put you in the back. Don't know that this would have worked with a dolly. Let's see. How are we going to do this? Let's figure out where she's going first. I think I'll just put it all the way up here. Unfortunately, this is where the wash machine was. Put her up here and just lay her down. Strap her down. That's what we're going to have to do. Just keep flipping her. Whoosh. I might speed this up for you guys, so it all depends on how struggle I become when it's time to lift her up, because this baby's heavy. All right. What we're gonna grab onto? We're gonna grab right here and lift. Lift and slide. That's how that did that. All right, let's go. All right. Morning. Couple minutes of reorganization. We're gonna have ourselves another dry. Send a picture to my washer dryer guy. See if he wants it, especially seeing that I'm right around the corner. That dolly that I left in the garage would have made my life a whole lot easier, although this one's sliding pretty nicely right now. Vertical. the water tank, which helped quite a bit. Ugh. Oosh. There you go. I'm gonna grab this guy. I'll bring you back because I don't want to lose you. You're too valuable. Not that I want to lose anything, but definitely don't want that flying out. Hoo-yah! Alright. The rest of our other crannies back in here. Oosh! See if he responds. Here we go. Perfect. 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 Almost time to strap everything down. Run a couple more streets while we wait for him to respond and go from there. It's not huge, but we'll take it. Got ourselves a couple pieces and a Polaroid. I didn't realize they made speakers for iPods. We'll take you. Fit right there. Oh, that might be aluminum there. You guys can go right here. Right in there. One more piece. Stay. 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 No! Stay. Stay. Good PVC. I'm gonna put this. Well, let's just test it. Another nice chunk of aluminum. Wow, that's 2 today. I couldn't tell her not on this one, so I'm gonna take a peeky. This box, that shimmering box, had me tricked. Oh, there might be something in here. A food dehydrator? You in there? You are. This one's the bottom part to go. Anything else? No. That's the middle. A bank hanger upper. Not too much. Here, hang my bike up. I passed the street and I thought this might be a tipped over garbage barrel, and then when I went a little further I was like, no, I don't think it is. It's a big old chunk of metal. We'll take her. Alrighty guys, we are weighed and paid, and we killed it today. We had 1,000 pounds of tin for 70 bucks, 7 cents a pound. Light iron were those doorknobs and stuff like that. They counted as light iron. We also had some wire from the trade for that sewing machine and some chairs, and I found a couple of chairs, and all that stuff added up. Ended up being wow, 88 pounds, and it was $26.40. That hood, that stainless steel hood, I was able to turn in as dirty. It only made a difference of 5 cents a pound. So instead of tearing the fans out and all that for 5 cents, I turned it in dirty. 36 pounds, 40 cents a pound. That hood alone, $14.40. Almost a $15 bill in just that hood. Christmas lights, 18 pounds for 28 cents, $6.04. And then I had some clean aluminum, which were there's some pots and pans with that other aluminum too. We had some clean pots and pans, 10 pounds for 38 cents a pound, $3.80. Total today, $119.64. And that does not include the 2 dryers that we picked up today that we sold to our friend for 20 bucks a piece. So you add 40 to that, $159.64. Best day yet, except for a non-ferrous day. I'm ecstatic. What a day. Not even noon yet. We're gonna run home and enjoy the rest of MLK Day with the family. Weather's great. It actually, those clouds finally broke up. It's still really windy, but it's still a gorgeous day. A little cool for Florida. We were only up to 60. They said the high was 59, so we actually broke the quoted high, but you know, the weatherman's rarely right. So if you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up. We keep getting subscribers and it makes me super happy. If you're not a subscriber, consider subscribing. We'd love to have you on board. Thank you so much to all the new people that are on. I appreciate anybody that spends any of their time with me. It's fun to have people ride along and know that they're enjoying the same trip I'm taking. So remember, it's not your stuff, or it's nacho stuff, but you can take someone else's trash and turn it into cash. So, till tomorrow, be safe, be happy, and I'll catch you all then.